Hey you guys, welcome back. So this morning I am excited to show you some of the products that I have been using now for almost a year. And I do promote them and I absolutely love them. It's really changed my life. My tummy is flat again. I feel better. I have more energy. And I want to share that with you guys. So my daughter introduced me to Herbalife a year ago, a little over a year ago. And her and her husband lost um oh my gosh, I think he lost about 50 pounds and she probably lost about 40, I want to say. They look amazing. They look like two different people. Um so it helped him. He was diagnosed with diabetes and it helped him um get his diabetes under control. He doesn't have to take medication or anything. He's healthy, and it just completely changed their lives. So I want to share it with you guys. I don't ever promote my businesses, but I'm going to start. There are four businesses that I do, and Herbalife is one of them. And I will do separate videos on each of them. For two of them, I'm going to be giving 25% of my earnings to Heather, the needy homesteader, as an additional fundraiser. I'm just going to donate whatever I make on her GoFundMe link, just like I'm doing with the video that I put up several days ago now, asking you guys to help. And I told you that all of the proceeds are going from that video. Everything that I earn on that video is going to Heather. And I feel really good about that. I want to help her in any way that I can. And my goal is to get that word out to as many people as we can to get them to $1 million. So they're well over, I think they're over 450,000 now. I haven't looked this morning. I looked late last night and I think it was like maybe 440, something like that. I'm sure they're over 450,000 this morning. But I do have to look. If not, we need to work harder, right? So let me show you this. This is what I do. My daily routine is protein drink. And I use the vanilla. Because vanilla just goes with everything, but you can also get chocolate. It's really, really good. And they just came out with mango pineapple, which I am so excited about because I love mango and I love pineapple. So together, this is going to make an awesome drink. I also use the Simply Probiotic, and that is what has helped my tummy just flatten out, just completely flatten. It changed my life. I also use, I don't have it in front of me. Let me get it. It's in my refrigerator. Okay. I also use the Aloe Herbal Concentrate, and I use mango. There you go. I love mango. So, and I put this in my water bottle. I drink water all day long, and this is what I put in there. I love the taste of it. This bottle right here is 16 fluid ounces. This lasts me for probably a couple months, I want to say, and I drink water all the time. All you add is just one capful to 16 ounces of water. I think I add a capful to about 20 ounces of water. It's just really good. My husband even drinks it now, so it's amazing. Okay, so what you do is you do 2 scoops of the protein drink, 2 scoops of any kind of flavor that you want, and then add your probiotic. So I'm going to show you the rest of my products just to show them to you, and then I'll show you how to make the shake. Delicious. Okay, so here we are on my product shelf, and these are all mine. This is what I use. So these are not even my products for sale. I don't really stock anything for sale. I keep a few things on hand for local people so that they can come and pick it up. But other than that, everything is just drop shipped. So you order it online, and it just comes in just a couple days. So I use all of these products. The Collagen Beauty Booster is really good. It's like a strawberry lemonade flavor. It's delicious. These are all of the different flavors that you can add to your meal in the morning. I have Immunity Essentials. I got this when COVID started. And I also got this Best Defense. It's kind of like that emergency stuff, the emergency tablets. It's pretty much the same as that. I also have Total Control, which helps curb your appetite and boost your metabolism. Raspberry tea. They also have lemon tea. So many products. If anybody wants a catalog, you guys can let me know in the comments or email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. That would probably be better. And I can send you out a catalog. This way you can send me your address there in the email. There's just so many products. I'll be posting my link, as I said, and you can just go from there. And remember, I'm going to be doing this through the month of April. Okay, so 25% of all of my sales are going to go to Heather through the end of April. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 scoops. Oops, it's hard to do with one hand. 2 scoops, put them in water, and I have 12 ounces of water. There you go. And that's the protein drink. I hope you guys can see this. And I think I'm going to use the same scoop because this is new. The mango pineapple is, oh, there's the scoop in there. Okay, I'm going to just do it this way. 2 scoops of the pineapple. And then one of these little scoops right here of the probiotic. There we go. So it's a little teeny scoop. You just add it in there. And I'm going to blend it in my blend tech. Okay, it's all blended in there. I'm going to be adding some ice to it. Not this much, but just a little bit, probably. Okay, let's see. Yep, that's enough in there. Okay, so I'm going to blend it again. Okay, so it's all blended. I didn't want to leave you guys to listen all that. So this is all blended. Here we go. I'm going to pour it into my cup. There we go. Okay. There you have it. And let me tell you, let me taste this. Let's see if I can put it this way. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, wow. So, that tastes like a smoothie that you would get at one of the smoothie stores for like $7 for that. And I still have more in there. So, this is replacing my breakfast. It's early in the morning, so it's like 7 o'clock. It's going to be replacing my breakfast, and I'm just going to snack on this to probably until about 2 o'clock, where I'll have a little bit of lunch, maybe 1 o'clock. I'll have a salad or something, a little bit of lunch, and then a full dinner. That's what I do. So this is delicious. If you guys are on the fence about buying this, they have a guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can return it, full refund. I've never returned anything. I like everything. It tastes really good. And you guys, if you're trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, this works. This absolutely, absolutely works. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com or leave a comment in the comment box. I will read all the comments and respond to all of them. If anybody's tried Herbalife, let me know. If you don't like it for some reason, let me know. I want to know the good and the bad that you've experienced. And I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, guys.